दिया भाई, मैंने क्या बोल दिया, कौन सा वर्ड बोल दिया. Some butter was bitter, so Betty bought some more butter to make bitter butter. So she shells by dual activity. We have to fully focus on what he is saying. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the day 4 series of Speaking English Challenge. And today I was feeling unwell, but somehow I decided to make the video and record it for you and myself as well, because I need to follow the consistency on YouTube channel as well as to improve myself very much. So I am here right now. So we will doing something crazy today. We all know the rules of grammar, but after a week I'm gonna share the series of grammar, how I learn grammar and how I repeatedly practice it at my home, and how can I do this each and everything at my home and make it very easier to remember each and everything. But in today's video I'm going to start with some most interesting चीज़ें जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं, like tongue twister. And we all fan of the tongue twister right now. I don't know you guys are or not. Let me set the camera perfectly first because this shooting angle. Okay, so we all the fan of tongue twisters. Somehow I just love the tongue twister because this can improve our pronunciation, this can boost our memory power too. Before that, let me talk on the situation where we all afraid of speaking English just because of we see English as a language barrier. We see English as everything in our society. English is become something, it shows your status, it shows your standards and everything. If you know English, then you are here. If you don't know English, you are here. But not, this is not the real thing is happening in the society. No, this is not. We all should know to English because nowadays English become a world language. Globally it is accepted totally right now. So somehow if we are getting the admission into the colleges, school, and we are going anywhere, English become the second or the third most spoken language in the world. So I just have to introduce all of you, do not afraid of speaking English because you forget the words for the particular sentence. This might be happen with everyone. This might be happen with everyone because we all forget something which is important. We all forget that the word which is important to us. Let's take an example. In our native speakers might can forget the word as well. In Hindi, Marathi, English, Spanish, people are also forget these kind of the word, and this is normal thing, and this is completely normal forgetting the thing. But by practicing day by day and by boosting your vocabularies and by improving your pronunciation and doing it for till the end of the day, when you become the fluent speaker, this is the most challenging way to improve yourself. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys what we actually feel when we don't know English. This is my real journey, what I'm showing you. This is very raw video right now. So I'm having the anxiety inside we are all having the anxiety of speaking English. What if I pronounce the wrong word? What if I do something crazy? What if in front of the people will judge me? How I will feel? It will embarrass me totally. I myself will embarrass. I myself feel shy, embarrassed in front of the other people. When you are having a conversation with another, even a stranger person, you feel very down. Na? Why? Because you are afraid of speaking any word in front of them. Because they will judge you, they will do something. Will they? नहीं ना, ऐसा तो नहीं होने वाला है. Just speak यार. After that, the second reason why we afraid of speaking English. Dual activity. And what is dual activity? See, for example, me and my friend talking together. Let's take my example. Me and my friend having a communication about our work. Okay, but in my mind there were so many things going on, and I was like, I'm not concentrating what he is saying to me, what he is talking to me. This is the dual kind of activity we all do in our real life. When someone is talking to us, we have to be fully focused on those words. We have to fully focus on what he is saying. Until and unless we cannot answer him. Okay, तो ना आधा अधूरा नॉलेज इंसान को ये कर देता है. That's the thing he's here. सो डुअल एक्टिविटी हमें नहीं करना है. वी डोंट हैव टू डू द डुअल एक्टिविटी इन आवर रेगुलर सेंस. एंड द नेक्स्ट रीजन इज lack of vocabulary. Yeah, lack of vocabulary, limited vocabulary. When I was learning the English na, I also have a lack of vocabularies and I was like कि अरे क्या ही हो जाएगा इम्प्रूव करने से. बट दिस काइंड ऑफ दिस वोकेबलरीज ना आर सुपर कैलिफ्रेजिलिस्टिक एक्सपिलिटोशियस. बोल दिया भाई मैंने, क्या बोल दिया, कौन सा वर्ड बोल दिया. दिस मीन्स समथिंग इज वंडरफुल, टू मच गुड, टू मच वंडरफुल ऐसा बोल सकते हैं हम. सुपर कैलिफ्रेजिलिस्टिक एक्सपिलिटोशियस. बट वे भी बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांस हो गया, हमें इतना नहीं सीखना है, हमें थोड़ा सा ही जानना है. सो लिमिटेड वोकेबलरी तक नहीं रहना है. वी हैव टू बूस्ट अवर वोकेबलरी, वी हैव टू जंप बियॉन्ड समथिंग लाइक क्रेजी. And today I'm going to do something crazy like tongue twister. Let's start with, I just love this tongue twister stuff. So first, how you gonna say that? If you can see this, see the tongue twisters are here. And the first tongue twister is जिसमें ना श और स का प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको काफ़ी बार देखने के लिए मिलेगा. आप इफ़ यू सर्च इट ऑन द गूगल एज वेल ना, ही विल गिव यू द much options. He will give you many more example of the tongue twister which is trending right now. Like you can say she sells seashells by the seashore. मैं पहले क्या बोलती, she sells by the seashore. She sells seashells by, क्या बोल रही है यार, she sells seashells by a seashore. She sells okay, one more time. She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 You can practice it again and again. After that, next is the Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper. Again, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper. Next, and one of my favorite tongue twister is Betty bought some butter, but butter was bitter. So Betty bought some more butter to make bitter butter better. Again, Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought some more butter to make bitter butter better. This is, and I love this tongue twister ना, ये Betty bought some वाला, I just love this. I can do it very fast. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought some more butter to make bitter butter better. सो आप इसको एकदम प्ले जोन के साथ खेल कूद कर भी इस चीज़ को लर्न कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर अ सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड पर्सन तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव डिसाइडेड समथिंग टू डू इन योर लाइफ, यू कैन डू इट. नेक्स्ट है ट्रूली रूरल. ट्रूली रूरल, ट्रूली रूरल, ट्रूली रूरल. रूरल बोलने में ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशानी आती है. आफ्टर दैट, हाउ मच अ वुड चक इफ़ अ वुड चक वुड. How much a woodchuck, how much a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck a wood. Again, how much a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck a wood. I got it, guys. I have done this, guys. I can do anything, guys. Anything, yes. This is the excitement of doing something crazy. Now, like, I'll practice many more tongue twister. I'll discuss with you on Saturday. मिलते हैं आप सभी के साथ Saturday को with vocabularies and किसके साथ, shadowing practice के साथ. Till then, thank you so much for watching. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, bye.